Welcome to The Power of Passive Income Millionaire Strategies. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of passive income and explore how it can dramatically transform your financial landscape. It's about creating a financial foundation so robust that it keeps generating revenue even when you're not actively working. So let's get started. Harnessing the power of passive income can lead to a life of financial freedom. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The first step towards creating successful passive income streams is identifying your passions and skills. This isn't just finding something you're good at, but also something you love. Why? Because passion is the fuel that drives us. It's the spark that ignites our creativity and determination, and it's the force that keeps us going when challenges arise. Imagine waking up every day excited to work on something you love. That's the power of aligning your income with your passions. It's not just about the money, it's about the satisfaction and fulfillment you get from doing what you love. Remember, the goal is not to create a job for yourself, but to create a lifestyle that brings joy and meaning to your life. Now let's talk about skills. Skills are the tools you use to turn your passions into income. It's one thing to love doing something, but it's another to be good at it. You might love music, but if you can't play an instrument or sing, it's going to be hard to turn that passion into income. So, it's important to identify what you're good at and how you can use those skills to generate income. Moreover, the beautiful thing about skills is they can be developed. You can always learn, improve, and grow. So don't be discouraged if you feel like you don't have the skills you need right now. You can always acquire them. The key is to start with what you have and build from there. Identifying your passions and skills is a crucial step in creating successful passive income streams. Finding the intersection between what you love, what you're good at, and what can generate income. This is the sweet spot where your work doesn't feel like work, and where you can create a life that is not only financially rewarding, but also personally fulfilling. When you align your income with your passions and skills, you're not just working smarter, but also happier. Diversification is key when it comes to passive income. It's a strategy that's not just making more money, but securing your financial future. Imagine a table with multiple legs supporting it. Even if one leg breaks, the table remains standing. The same principle applies to your income. If you rely on a single source and for whatever reason that source dwindles or dries up, you're left scrambling. But, if you've built multiple streams, you can weather such storms with greater ease. Building multiple income streams can seem daunting, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Start with one, master it, then move on to the next. It's all about adding layer upon layer of financial security. The key is to select income streams that align with your skills and interests. That way it doesn't feel like a chore, but more of a natural extension of what you already enjoy doing. Multiple income streams also allow for a more flexible lifestyle. You're not tied to a 9-to-5 grind. You can choose when and where you work and how much time you want to invest in each stream. This flexibility can be a game changer, especially for those who value their freedom and independence. Now let's talk about diversification within these income streams. This means not just having different types of income, but also diversifying within each type. For instance, if you're investing, don't put all your money in one type of investment, spread it across different sectors, different companies, different countries. This way, you're not overly exposed to any single risk. Remember, the goal here isn't just to make more money, it's to create a resilient financial foundation that allows you to weather the ups and downs of life, to have the freedom to do what you love, and to have the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. Also, don't forget to click the links in our description box below. So as we move forward in our journey towards building wealth and achieving financial freedom, keep this in mind. With multiple income streams, you're not putting all your financial eggs in one basket. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. This statement rings true, especially when we delve into the realm of passive income. So how does one invest in themselves? The answer lies in education and skill development. In the grand scheme of passive income, education isn't simply acquiring degrees or certifications. It's learning, understanding, and mastering the nuances of your chosen income streams. It's expanding your horizons, delving into new knowledge areas, and constantly staying updated with trends and shifts in your field. Simultaneously, skill development plays a crucial role in enhancing your earning potential. Skills are your tools of trade, your keys to unlocking higher income levels. Whether it's improving financial literacy, mastering a new software, or learning the art of negotiation, each new skill you acquire is a step closer to financial freedom. Think of education and skill development as your armor and weapons in the battlefield of passive income. Without them, you're likely to fall behind, but with them, you become a formidable player, ready to seize opportunities and navigate challenges. Now, you might wonder, how do I invest in education and skill development? Well, the world is your oyster. Online courses, webinars, podcasts, books, mentorship programs, workshops, there's a plethora of resources out there. The key is to find the ones that align with your income goals and learning style. Remember, it's not about cramming information or rushing through courses. It's understanding, applying, and integrating what you learn into your strategies, and becoming a perpetual student committed to growth and improvement. Investing in education and skill development isn't a one-time activity. It's an ongoing process, a lifelong commitment, staying curious, staying hungry for knowledge, and never settling for mediocrity. So, as you embark on your passive income journey, keep this in mind. Your greatest asset is you. Your knowledge, your skills, your ability to learn and adapt, these are your most valuable resources. Invest in them, nurture them, and watch as they propel you towards financial success. Never underestimate the power of knowledge and skills in your passive income journey. Because at the end of the day, the most successful people aren't just those who work hard, but those who work smart. And working smart begins with investing in yourself. Side hustles can be a source of passive income too. Now you might be wondering, how can my side hustle turn into a steady stream of passive income? Well, it's all leveraging your skills, time, and resources in the right way. First, identify a side hustle that aligns with your skills or interests. It could be anything from creating digital products, offering freelance services, or even renting out unused space. The key is to choose something that you're good at and enjoy doing. This way, your side hustle won't feel like a chore, but an exciting venture. Next, find ways to automate or outsource tasks. For example, if you're selling digital products, you can use online platforms that handle transactions and customer service for you. Or, if you're offering freelance services, you can hire subcontractors to help with the workload. By doing this, you're freeing up your time and turning your side hustle into a source of passive income. Continuously improve and scale your side hustle. This could mean adding more products or services, reaching out to new markets, or investing in tools that increase efficiency. Remember, the more you grow, the more passive income you can generate. Every successful passive income stream started as an idea. So don't be afraid to explore and experiment. Who knows, your side hustle could be your ticket to financial freedom. The ultimate goal of passive income is financial freedom and independence. Having the liberty to live life on your own terms. Imagine a life where you're not constantly worrying about bills, or feeling trapped in a 9-to-5 job. A life where you have the time to pursue your passions, spend quality time with your loved ones, and travel the world at leisure. Passive income gives you the power to create that life. It provides a steady flow of income, even when you're not actively working. It's like having an invisible workforce that keeps earning for you, day in and day out. This is the beauty of passive income. It works for you, not the other way around. Now, the journey to financial independence won't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn. But remember, every step you take towards building your passive income streams is a step towards financial freedom. For more info, don't forget to click the links in our description box below. Passive income is not just about making money. It's creating a lifestyle that gives you control over your time and freedom to do the things you love. Breaking free from financial constraints and living a life of abundance. Passive income is your ticket to financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey today. We believe in you.